Hi guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and again this is another video on technique expert, and we are going to learn how we are going to practice now on a different level, and we are going towards potting and understanding the line of aim for potting balls. Okay, so what you're gonna all you have to do, again, use a junior level. As I said earlier, don't use a senior level. Place your cue, align your cue with this from towards the pocket, and then so let's place yellow ball on the yellow spot and white ball on the white spot. All you have to do is to just again correct your aiming, correct yourself. So run your cue on that line of aim and finish your shot where you were supposed to be, where you were finishing earlier in different practices without the yellow ball or any other ball. So you will see that how easy it is to pot an object ball. In this case it is a yellow ball. So keep doing it again and again. Once you are through with yellow ball, try to place again with the green ball. Now the distance is increasing, but the good thing is that you can see, as I said earlier, that there is an extended line of aim. So it is giving you fun, it is giving you the quick result, quick experience of whatever you are doing. It will tell you that you are either right or wrong, and then you can correct yourself again. If you are offline, you correct yourself with the weight balance, or maybe if you are not aiming correctly, this will guide you. It's a perfect guide for you. Actually, it's a self-doctor, self-guide, whatever you want to call it. That's why I call it a technique expert, because it covers all the features. So once you are going through the green, then once you are finished with green, then you can place brown ball on the spot, and then once you are done with the brown ball, you can place blue ball, and once you're going through the blue ball, then you can place pink ball. And once you're finished with pink ball, because now we are getting off the table, you need to make sure that you place your white ball in the center of this line of aim. Again, it is connected with this one, and now it is on the table. So now the bars are high, the level is a bit difficult. So what you have to do is to make sure that your white is in the center of this line of aim, and then again you have to correct your cueing. You have to make sure that you are placing your cue correctly, and then finish your shot and see if your white ball is hitting in the center or slightly on and off. And again, from every spot you have to play like 50 shots, 40 shots, 100 shots. In snooker, 400-500 shots does not matter. If you are serious about the game, about your technique, if you are serious that if you want to improve your game on different level, then you need to work very hard and again, because the more repetition you do in your technique or your cueing, the better you will become, and quickly you will improve your game to the next level. So once you are done, in our next video, what we are going to learn is how we are going to use this one and how we can enhance the distance away from this amazing technique expert, and how we are going to pot these balls. This is going to be our next video. So wait for my next video, and good luck with this one. If you are interested, please send me a message. We are delivering it all over the world. So send me a WhatsApp message and we'll see how we can make arrangements for you to receive it. Any questions, please feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. The numbers are there. Thank you very much. Take care.